Tack and fill.
I guess you're going. First 2, 3. High.
Put that tip right on the top of it. Tack.
Shake.
Hey, get your thumb off the top of that tack. Whoa!
Easy. Here. Put your thumb up. Put this hand over the line. Yeah. Keep them flat across the side like that. Now punch out. Now you've got the slack you're going to take out. Pull the trigger slowly. Slow. You'll feel, and now you'll kind of feel it get kind of tight. Now with that, just press. Just press through it.
Hey!
Oh, did you get one?
He got one!
Oh, never mind. I was going to show you that we could hit it. Okay. Oh, here. Let me see. The sights are dead on. Okay, so I just showed you that they're dead on, so it's your job to line it up now. And squeeze the trigger. Just pull. Okay, you empty.